You know what's funny? Everyone says, I want to get into cybersecurity, but ask them one simple question. Doing what? Silence. Because in their head, cybersecurity is just one job. Hacker, hoodie, darkroom, green text. Reality? Cybersecurity is a whole city, different roles, different mindsets, and half of them aren't even hacking. So in the next, I'm going to break down every major cybersecurity role, not like a boring lecture, but how it actually feels in real life. Let's start with the one everyone thinks they want. Penetration tester. This is the legal hacker, the one companies hire to break into their systems. In your head, you're exploiting 0 days, bypassing firewalls, elite stuff. In reality, you're scanning, enumerating, staring at ports for 3 hours, and getting excited because port 80 is open, but when it works, when you finally get access, that feeling? Illegal levels of satisfaction. Next, SOC analyst, Security Operations Center. This is where most people actually start. Your job? Monitor alerts, detect threats, respond to incidents. Sounds cool? In reality, you're staring at logs at 3 a.m., trying to figure out if this is a real attack or just someone forgetting their password. 95% false alarms, 5% panic, but that 5%? That's where real skills are built. Next, security engineer. These are the builders. They don't just detect attacks. They design systems to stop them. Firewalls, security tools, infrastructure. They think like, how do I make this system impossible to break? And then a hacker breaks it anyway. Next, security analyst, similar to SOC or Security Operations Center, but more focused on understanding threats. Reports, risk analysis, vulnerability assessments. Basically, you're the person saying, yeah, this system is a problem. And management saying, we'll fix it later. They never fix it. Next, red team. Now we're talking stealth. These are the people who simulate real attackers. No rules, no warnings, phishing emails, social engineering, physical access. You might be hacking a system or pretending to be an employee trying to get inside a building. This is less tools, more psychology and creativity. Next, blue team, opposite side, defense mode. They monitor, detect, respond, while red team tries to break in. Next, malware analyst. This is where things get weird. You're literally opening viruses on purpose, breaking them down, understanding what they do, reverse engineering code, trying to answer, what is this thing doing inside the system? It's like digital forensics, but with more danger. Next, bug bounty hunter. This is the freelancer life. You find vulnerabilities, report them, get paid. Sounds perfect? In reality, you spend weeks finding nothing, then suddenly find one bug. And someone already reported it. It's real pain. Next, digital forensics investigator. Something got hacked. Now it's your job to figure out what happened, how it happened, who did it. You're analyzing logs, recovering deleted data, rebuilding the timeline. It's like being a detective, but for computers. Next, cloud security engineer. Everything is moving to the cloud. And guess what? People are misconfiguring everything. Your job? Secure cloud systems. Fix open storage buckets, weak access controls, misconfigured services. Basically, stopping companies from leaking their own data. And finally, application security engineer. These are the ones who secure code. They work with developers, find vulnerabilities before release, fix security issues inside apps, because once it's live, attackers are already waiting. And that's the ecosystem. Not one job, one path, it's whole world. And here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't need to master everything. You need to find your lane. Do you like breaking things? Go red team. Do you like defending? Go blue team. Do you like building systems? Security engineer? Do you like analyzing? SOC, forensics, malware. Because cybersecurity isn't about being everything. It's about being dangerous in one direction. And once you find that direction, everything starts to make sense. If this video helped you see cybersecurity roles in a whole new way, then do one thing for me. Hit subscribe, drop a like, share it with someone who's lost in this field, and comment down below your role. I'll see you in the next one.